In order to really understand the way 9 Star Ki Astrology works, we need to comprehend the 9 principal key energies that form the basis of your astrological chart. The information given in this video refers to the energies 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you want to learn more about the energies 1 to 5, please watch my previous video. So I will give information on the following aspects of each energy. We start by the element, so taken from the 5 transformation stages, character, and here the fundamental qualities of each energy, health, what is beneficial and what should be avoided, which organs are related to your energy, occupation, so what occupations best suit your nature, and last but not least, personal development. So how can you make the most of your nature? So the following information will enable you to develop an initial objective understanding of yourself and the people around you. Key energy number 6 belongs to the element of metal. This nature is a very loyal one, of a consistent character, moral, very direct, noble, with a great sense of justice. When it comes to health issues, organs related to this nature are the lungs and the large intestines, so you need to protect those two. You enjoy pressure and stress, you need challenging jobs, you are a natural leader and authority in business, politics, and many other fields, and you would make a good lawyer. Bring out your warmer and gentler nature and try to develop your ability to listen. Energy 7 is a rather easygoing, outgoing, very pleasure-seeking nature, fun-loving, good listeners and talkers, very charismatic and graceful. And when it comes to health issues, organs related to 7 metal nature are, as well as in energy 6, lungs and large intestine, as well as here the colon. So anything that you can use your verbal skills would suit you best. So you could be a teacher or consultant. You know very well to deal with money, so you could even work at a stock market or be an accountant. Try to take on tasks that test your perseverance. And your easygoing nature could cause you to forget the importance of physical activity, so make an effort to exercise more. Key energy number 8 belongs to the element of soil, and qualities of 8 energy is strength and contemplation, a very thoughtful nature, stable character with enormous reserves of energy. Hard to get close to them, that's for sure. They conceal feelings. They have a strong sense of right and wrong. So when it comes to health issues, they are the ones that are prone to hypochondria. They should be very much aware of becoming overweight. They have the greatest ability to produce and to deliver. Researchers or editors would best suit them, as well as police officer, lawyer, because of their innate sense of justice. Try not to let your strong sense of justice and fairness turn into self-righteousness. Instead, use it in a creative way. Focus on keeping your body flexible and adaptable. Key energy 9 belongs to the element of fire. Fire nature sees the obvious in troubled waters. Very intuitive, inspiring, communicative, warm, and passionate natures. Very sensitive, and it is easy for them to forgive and to forget. So, controlling the function of the heart and small intestine would be good, and they need to be aware of possible disorders in their blood circulation. Occupation, well suited to any profession dealing with the public, for example, advertising and marketing, television or radio. Personal development, a good fire needs a solid foundation in fuel and heart. So try to develop your practical nature in all aspects of your life. If you want to discover more about this Oriental astrology, follow my free tutorials online, Star Ki Astrology, on my YouTube channel. I will post a new content and share my new insights regularly that will support you on your own discovery journey. Let's get deeper into who we are. Take care, stay safe, and bye for now.